Hi guys, welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve a typical question from algebra on the ACT math test. Here's an example. Given x equals 3, solve for y in the equation 4 times y plus 2 times 18 divided by 2 times x equals 0. Well, first we have to substitute x with 3 in our expression to get 2 times 3, which equals 6. Now we can divide 18 by 6 to get 3. In the next step, we can multiply 2 with 3 to get 6. And finally, we have reduced our equation to 4 times y plus 6 equals 0. Now we can solve this equation easily by subtracting both sides with 6 to get 4 times y equals minus 6. We can divide both sides with 4 to get y equals minus 6 divided by 4. That can be simplified to minus 3 divided by 2. And in the end, we will get minus 1.5 as our answer. And the answer is C. Great. With practice, you can solve such problems fast so that you can save time for more difficult problems in the test. In the upcoming video, I'm going to solve other problems from the ACT math test. You can subscribe to get notified as soon as new videos are available. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.